Back at it again, jumping right into this video. Hey babe, so I got my dookie braids. I have about 4 of them. Of course, I deep condition my hair. So literally, I have so many tutorials that have been coming out this week. They're going to continue to roll out. So definitely make sure to turn on your post notifications if you have not already. As you can see, my hair is really thick all over the place. If you guys, it's like your first time coming here, get used to the heat damage, okay? Not doing a big chop. I feel like I keep saying that, but I have to realize every video is new, right? So anywho, I'm teaming up with Yolissa to bring you another hair tutorial. I hope you guys really like the way that I've been doing these videos. We're just kind of getting straight to the juice. So I'm gonna be doing 2 space buns. I actually got this hairstyle from I believe I was watching It's My Ray Ray video. I actually was watching some of her older videos because I remember those being like part of the reason why I even started my channel. Like, yes, I tried to do my makeup like her and everything back in the day. So hey girl. Anyway, I am just parting my hair off. You don't have to do this super perfect. It's actually okay that it's not super perfect. I didn't even part my hair directly down the middle, and I tend to have like a loose scalp. If you don't know what that is, when you part your hair and you actually pull it, I guess, taut from side to side, if it can move, you too have loose scalp, okay? Anywho, so I am using the Ebony Edge Control. That's EBIN. I've been getting so many questions about it. I freaking love this stuff. The only thing is, if you do use a little bit too much, it can cause like a white residue, which is actually really easy to get rid of. You literally can just take a damp towel and just literally smooth it into your hair, just to kind of get rid of the product a little bit, and literally it works the same. Literally. So this is gonna be a literally video. If y'all know I will go on a literally spree, so I apologize in advance, okay? Okay, like, where am I getting that from? I need to stop saying it. Y'all, get me together. I just want y'all to point out the fact, or acknowledge the fact, that I just did my baby hairs with a comb. That's serious. That is serious. So no, I have not texturized my edges. If you guys have been following me for a while, I did stop texturizing about, I think, like 6 months ago. I stopped texturizing my edges just because I felt like, what was really the point? I wanted to see if my hair would just slick down without going through all that drama. If you guys missed it, I did just use the Eco Styler gel, the argan oil one, just to help smooth down my hair. I only use that because the Ebony Edge Control will keep my hair really straight, and I wanted it to be kind of texture, so I use the gel just to kind of give it a little bit of texture, as far as like the waves and stuff like that, because I am natural. I mean, you know, heat damage, but natural nevertheless. So if you guys need a tip about, you know, what scrunchies to use, I use the thick headbands. To me, they work a lot better. My hair stays really tight and in place. I don't have to worry about it getting loose, and yeah, I mean, it's less tension on your hair. You don't have to really worry about it popping or anything like that. So I just put my hair into one twist, and because my hair does not like stay I guess twisted at the end, obviously because I do have that heat damage, I go ahead and just braid the end and call it a day. So just putting a little bit of gel on my baby hair, adult hair, grown hair, whatever you want to call it. I'm just gonna kind of go from there, and I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. So I hope you guys really have been enjoying these videos. It's been a pleasure to do. I feel like there's so many like wig videos out now that it's just becoming like, sis, everybody's not wearing wigs, and I totally understand that. So here we are with these kind of like everyday get up and go videos, which are very easy to do and realistic. I know I've been promising you a cornrow tutorial. Do not be disappointed. I'm definitely gonna get to that. I promise. So definitely just make sure to, you know, stay tuned for that. It is on the way. So I actually took off my press-ons. I don't know if you guys saw my last video. I told y'all about my press-ons. Really cute, straight to the point. But I am a nail biter, so I actually took them off. So disregard my nails right now. Sorry y'all. Anyway, just pulling this other ponytail really tight. The only problem with doing the space buns is sometimes it is hard to kind of get the ponytails in the same area on each side. So if you have to end up doing it more than once, definitely do what you have to do. It's taken some mastering for me to be able to get it right the first time. I was actually really surprised. Usually I have to redo my ponytail like 3 times. But anywho, as you can see, like I said before, those ponytail holders, or really headbands, they really do hold tight. Like, do you see how close it is to my scalp? And my hair is thick, so so, you know, a little damaged, but definitely thick. And I always use the Aussie Moist. I did use the Aussie Moist leave-in along with the shampoo and the conditioner. And then I'm just going over my edges with the Ebony Edge Control, and then right over the top of that, the gel, in case you missed it. So I'm just going to go ahead and wrap these two ends pretty much around each other, so you'll see that. This is their water wave hair. I'm going to be using 2 individual bundles. These were a 20-inch, really soft. When I say really soft, I'm almost sad that I didn't make a wig out of it, because I know it would have been really cute. So I'm probably still going to do that and then put it on my website. So if you guys have not already checked it out, I do have a site where I sell custom and lightly used units. So some new, some lightly used. I do post that, or post them, and then of course they're for sale for like stupid good prices. So definitely make sure to check it out at foreverchrissy.com if you have not already. So you should, by now you should know my trick. In order to get a full looking ponytail, I always make sure to use my real hair up under it, so I'm not with the glue and that whole shebang, at least not right now. I won't be showing you that type of video until I feel like you guys are advanced enough to kind of take in that information. So I just wrap it around a couple of times, keep the track doubled. As you can see, take one end of it, wrap it to the base of the ponytail, keep the tracks doubled like I said, and then of course I'm just going to continue to wrap that around my ponytail until I get to the other end, and I'll do the exact same side. So this hair was really full. I did get a frontal with it also. That's why I'm like, dang, I really should have made a wig. But let me know if you want to see a wig using this hair. I mean, I do have another water wave video, but just let me know. I'll probably end up doing it anyway. And so yeah, just to kind of get these fluffy and nice, the way that It's My Ray Ray had her hair, I'm just gonna go ahead and brush out the curls a little bit. Y'all, this hair was so freaking soft. I wish you could feel it. But anyway, gonna go ahead and do a twist the same way I did my real bun, and literally just mimicking the same thing I did with my real hair. The only difference is I'm using a hairpin. So the hairpins are open, a bobby pin is closed. I just finally used, or I guess found out how to use a bobby pin appropriately. So y'all, apparently you're supposed to use a bobby pin upside down. But I'll show y'all that. I will show you that. I'm pretty sure you've been using it wrong too for all this time. Anyway, doing the same thing on the other side. I think this video probably took me about maybe 20 minutes. Of course, I did have to cut it down, edit it, and speed it up just a little bit. So you can definitely get away with doing this in your morning routine. I give myself about an hour when I'm getting dressed for work and things like that to kind of do my hair and my makeup and all that. So you can definitely get away with that. No problem at all. Definitely let me know how you feel about this. I really like these space buns, y'all. So cute. Taking some Gotta Be Glue spray just around the edges just to make sure if my hair did get a little bit too wet from the gel, it's going to dry and stay in place. Really like this combination. And then just taking the Cream of Nature spray to add a little bit of sheen. And yeah, that was pretty much it. So hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you guys so much. Make sure that you thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, babes.